OK, this function rounds your numbers to the nearest 50 cents. A multiple of 50 cents, so your numbers will end at 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, and so on. In this column, I have prices with 3 decimals. Start to write the function equals ceiling.math. Parentheses. Then mark the cell with price. Here. And write comma 0.5. Parentheses. Click here to drag down. If you only get zeros, change character here from point to comma. And drag down. If you want your numbers with a multiple of 25 cents, change here to 25. And drag down. And that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you get the help you were looking for, thumbs up. If you want more help in the future, please subscribe to this channel, because then you will find me next time you want help here on YouTube.